I get it. Day one of the new role, leadership role, you want to make a great first impression. But that doesn't mean you have to prove yourself on the first day. In fact, one of the most powerful things that a leader can do, especially when they're new, is ask great questions because curiosity earns respect and it builds trust. A new client recently asked me, Dr. Julie, how do I show up powerfully in this new leadership role, especially when I don't have all the answers yet? This is a great question. And my answer was simple: lead with curiosity. No one expects you to know everything, especially when you're new to the role and if you're new to the organization. The best leaders listen more than they speak because they know that that is how trust is built. You want to be willing to learn and stay open to perspectives that differ from yours. Asking thoughtful questions shows confidence, not weakness. It invites others to explain their thinking, which deepens understanding and exposes assumptions. It also helps you develop deeper relationships and strengthens those connections. And it leads to more meaningful conversations. Curiosity creates clarity. It helps you learn faster and gain credibility without having to pretend you know the answer or guess. It also includes other voices, especially those who may not always speak up. Courageous leaders ask questions that make everyone better. So take a moment to reflect. What's one courageous question that you could ask in your next meeting to clarify something, to learn from them, or to elevate the conversation? I'm Dr. Julie Donley, and this is Leading at the Speed of People. If this message resonated with you, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's keep growing leadership that moves at the speed of people. And hey, if you have a question for me on leadership, ask me in the comments and I'll respond in a future video. Till next time, happy leading.